We'll guide you through how to use an SD card on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can then go and look at the files and move and transfer them. So to get started, you may go and have a full-size SD card or a micro one. We're going to go and need an adapter. I'll link some different ones down below. The iPhone 15s and newer use USB-C, or iPhone 14s and older use Lightning. So I'll put some different adapters you can get down below. Go and get your SD card and we can then put it into the adapter like so. Grab the iPhone and we can then go and connect the adapter to the iPhone like so. Access the SD card in Files, so we can go and find the Files app, go and tap on it, press Browse in the bottom right, and we can then go and see it's called No Name, it's got that drive icon. We can then go and tap there and go and see what's on here. We've got some different images and files. Alternatively, you can also go into the Photos app. If I scroll down, it'll come up in Devices. We can tap there and go and import, but in this case, I'll come into Files. You can press the three dots in the top right, and you can then go and select something you want, and you can go and press the button at the bottom here, make a copy of it onto the iPhone. So you can go and choose where, and you can do vice versa.